Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for the Monday 30th, for today, Monday 30th October 2023. Let's see the news first. Is there any news? Well, we got some news here. We have AUD 12:30 AM, which already passed. Euro, we got German prelim CPI MM, and Euro Spanish flash CPI YY. And Euro German prelim GDP QQ. So these are news for Euro. However, no other news, but normally we're interested in USD, and there's no USD news Monday at all. That doesn't mean the market will not move. Of course it will. And if you're in UK, the time has changed. It has changed 1 hour. It came back. So just change your clocks if you haven't already. Right. So let's jump onto the gold chart and see what's happening here. Right, this area has been broken, and that's the daily and 4-hour chart. And now, ideally, it should test these levels, but what because of the war going on in Middle East, what is the possible scenario? Let me go back to weekly again. And with at the top of this week, so possible this will go up all-time high and break that as well. So going to 1 hour for time frame. Let me remove this. Looks like it may see another. We may have to see another dump here, at least to this level. That's the possible scenario. However, going to smaller time frame. Yeah, definitely. This is possibly scenario is building up. However, to go down from here, it has to come here first, and then you can see them move to the downside. Also, we have a clear range here as well. So that's one scenario building up. It's highly bearish at the moment in smaller time frame. And 4 hour. Looking for what's happening. Yes, definitely we can expect the move to the downside, and to the other up scenario is this. This was a fair value gap. It has been retested. This cut has been taken. Now we definitely expect the movement to this level at least. Drawing Fibonacci levels. Let's see. Ideally, technically, the important level is 50 levels or 61. These are the levels that market technically can come up to this level. And if you, so that is between 1908 to 1887. So that's a daily chart, and market did break this level. There was a little bit retracement and then it went to the upside. Now definitely market can respect this levels. That's where the market is at the moment. So we will look for the consolidation and then break to the downside to the or to the upside. It's possible. Yeah, this structure, it's possible the market should come down up to this level before it makes a next move. Because this is a head and shoulder. So it's possible the market can come down here. What we should do now, we can take a sell trade, however, that's depending on strategy. And we'll put a stop loss somewhere here and let the market go up to this level. So let's see. And have a good day, good night. Thank you. Bye-bye.